Sitting in the garden as I sip my tea, a red-whiskered Bulbul comes to visit me. He talks to the mirror and pecks with glee, then hops right back and says, "Hey, that's me!" Hey, little Bulbul, you're the king of fun, with your funky crest shining in the sun, with a chirp chirp here and a tweet tweet there. You're the best and beyond compare.
He bathes in the pot with a splash and dive, spreading his wings, oh he's so alive. He shakes his feathers, his tail so fine, then walks like a snail in a funny line.
Hey, little Bulbul, you're the king of fun, with your funky crest shining in the sun, with a chirp chirp here and a tweet tweet there. You're the best and beyond compare. From dawn till dusk he sings so sweet, a melody that makes my day complete. Little Bulbul, stay and play with me. Let's share our songs beneath the tree. Hey, little Bulbul, you're the king of fun, with your funky crest shining in the sun, with a chirp chirp here and a tweet tweet there. You're the best and beyond compare.
Like, subscribe, and share.